Hello students. Now we are starting with the factors and multiple grade 5 topic. The first we are going to learn the basics of the factors and multiples, and we will start with the divisibility test. The first is that when we start with the divisibility test of the numbers, it will be I have made here the partition of the numbers such that the first is that a number is divisible by 2. If the when the number is divisible by 2, if the digit at the ones place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or the 8. These are called as the even number. These are called as the even number. So many of the students are having the doubt what is mean by even or the odd. So here you can count the number of the digits. Here number of the words are the 4. So 4 is the even number, and with that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called as the even number. So any number which are having these numbers at ones place is a even number. That numbers are divisible by 2. So 1306, 1728, 4574 and 8760. Either each one has the even number at the ones place. So all the numbers having the end with these numbers is divisible by 2. Now it is the same again the 4 as well again. If the here 1 is only one digit we are looking out. If the number formed by the last two digits, here we are looking at the last two digits is divisible by 4, or the last two digits are the 0, and definitely if the either last two digits are divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 0, that numbers are divisible by 4. Here 8720, the last two digits form a number 20. As we know that 4 5s are 20, and so as 20 is divisible by 4, so this whole number 8720 is also divisible by 4. So 8720 is divisible by 4. Also 9100. So 100 means last two digits are 00. So as we know that 00, that is 4 into 0 is what? 0 only. So it is 9100 is also divisible by 4. No need to check further. Similar with the 8 also. Here we are looking out the two digits. For the 8 we are looking out the last three digits, and the property is the same. If the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8, or the last three digits are the 0. So 12,720, last three digits are the 720. So 700 divided by 8 is 90. As this 720 is divisible by 8, so this 12,720 is divisible by 8. Again, so this is divisible by 8. One more example we can take the 91,000. Last three digits are 0. So 91,000. Whichever the number having the last three digits are 0, that number is always divisible by 8. And that's it. We will continue with this with the more numbers. Continue with the channel and do like and subscribe with the channel. Thank you.